Hey you guys, it's me Ashley and look where we are. We're in the apartment. Oh my goodness, today we're gonna do a apartment tour. I've never done an empty apartment or empty house, anything. This will be my first time doing this type of thing and I just want to bring y'all with me because that's exciting, right? I love watching stuff like this. So without further ado, let's get started with the tour. Let's go ahead and start. Full disclaimer, I've already started moving in some things. There is no furniture, so you guys will still get the gist of empty, but to get the vision of visioning, I had to like place some stuff just to get my mind focused on the things I needed to order versus the things I needed to keep as is. Without further ado, let's get started. We are already in my entryway. This is my front door. It's so beautiful, it's so big, and I love it. I'm gonna flip you guys around to see the little entrance area I do have over here. All right, so face the door is my entryway. You guys, it's really tiny, but it's super cute. I have my pumpkin scratches you guys have seen in my house a million times, and I will be putting my mirror from my bedroom here, but I will be painting it. So you guys will see that in the future. And then we have our entrance hallway. You guys, I got an idea for this wall here. I'm wanting to put those, some photos that we already have here, get some new prints, but I want to do that TikTok hanging, I don't know what you call it, the lights that hang over the pictures. I want to do that right here. So it'll be kind of flat, so it won't take away from the fact that this is a tight little space. Right over here to the side is my laundry room. It's a cute little laundry room. As you can see, I have brought in some things. I know. I said I want to get rid of the farmhouse vibe, but y'all, I'm not starting all the way over with my decorations. It's going to be updated, but I'm still keeping some stuff that I already had. So we have more shelving in this space. We have it on both sides. And then we have the washing machine and dryer. And I also have a little space back here, which I will be utilizing for storage for stuff like this. Right, this door here is a water heater. It is locked to us, so that's great. And then I have a hall closet. That's my picnic blanket and basket set, coats. I went to Marshall's, y'all know how I do. And my pumpkin, y'all know this pumpkin, the first decor, yeah, that. So right off of the entrance, the first living area piece is the kitchen. So let me give y'all an overview. That is my kitchen. I absolutely love it. The first thing you notice is this ginormous bar, which was perfect for us because we do have 4 children in our house and we're not bringing over a kitchen or kitchenette table. So that is her. And then going into the kitchen, but I am excited for this gigantic sink. I am in love. And you guys see the stains? Ooh, I can just see the clear with me right now. Ooh, that's gonna be so beautiful. And then this here. I've always wanted one of these, y'all. I feel so fancy. So fancy. Off of the kitchen, is this office area built in, which is super cute. There's some really cute built-ins in this place. This would be my work from home area most likely. This area here. We've already moved in our games. That's the home for it. And the door here is the pantry. So yeah, we are losing so much space in the pantry. I mean, of course, we're moving into an apartment, so obviously the space will be smaller. We're losing a lot of space everywhere, but pantry gonna be filled. It's gonna look like we got so much food. Cause our pantry now is almost half of that. So y'all, they're gonna look beautiful. This view right now is just so cute to me. It looks like a photo studio to me. I just think it's beautiful. This is our living and dining room combination. It is so cute. But as I said before, because we do not plan on bringing over a table, we are actually will be using this space in the back in an L shape. So that plant won't go there even though it looks amazing there. We're gonna be putting Jeremy's work desk here. He's into IT, so he has 3 monitors that needs to go on the desk. I pray it looks aesthetically pleasing because it's what we need, so it's gonna go there. And of course, our living space, I'm getting a new sofa, the TV's gonna go up, we're getting some curtains, and it's gonna be a whole vibe. This photo, these portraits, this canvas, is the inspiration for this area. Obviously, that's why they're already up on the wall. This was Babe's idea, and I just think it was such a cute idea to have them there. I may or may not put that light up there because our curtains will be from ceiling down. So yeah, that's, oh y'all, that's gonna be a vibe. My patio. So before I take y'all to my patio, I will say we had to be creative with the placement of certain things. So when we go out there, don't judge me, just know I can figure out a better solution. So if you have a better solution for what you're about to see next, leave a comment, a nice comment. This is my patio. First off, my table looks amazing out here because the patio at the house is about this size, so it actually worked out. I moved these out here, so I'm gonna get some palms. It's gonna look tropical, get some lights. Don't worry about that, that's nature. But y'all, I didn't have another place to put my deep freezer, so it's living here. It's not too bad because it's white and the walls are white, thank God. But yeah, I'm like a hillbilly, do I? Be honest. I don't care because it gotta be somewhere, and it ain't going in this house, so it's going out there. Anyways, so moving over from the living room, we're in the living room. We are now going or entering into my master bedroom. As I stated, I think I did. Me and Jeremy has been using this as a hotel, so I did bring over the air mattress. Thankfully, this space is just big enough to fit all of our large furniture, our dresser, nightstands, our king size bed, and another nightstand. I measured, hopefully I'm correct, but it should look banging in here. The only thing that I hate is that my dear, is a fire sprinkler, or whatever you call it. That thing right over there. You know my picture go up there because I will be bringing all of that over. I'm not gonna do bed just yet. This right here. Camera around because I gotta talk to y'all. This is a selling part. It's a selling point of this unit. Oh, I love this bathroom so much. It's cute. It's just really cute, and it gives me what I needed. I am going to miss my bathroom now. I'm going to miss it, regardless of the facts that we had issues with the landlord or whatever. Moving from a house to an apartment was a big change. Even though I am more than excited to be here, it's so cute here. What I'm gonna miss about the house is, of course, my bathroom, my bathtub, my shower. Like, oh my goodness, I'm gonna miss it. But, so we have the double sinks. I'm losing my vanity, but I can count the amount of times I've actually sat to do my makeup. I usually stand because I'm rushing. Y'all know I be late. But y'all, I can even show y'all everything else. I got my standing shower. You see my standing shower? Even though it's a little tiny, we practiced in this. Not practice, but we tested this. It's tight for 2 people to fit, so you can count that out. And if y'all in there together, y'all definitely not even clean. I'm just gonna be honest. But I get my standing shower and I do keep my tub. I fit in this tub just just as well as I fit in my other tub. It's just not as deep as my other tub. But I don't even care because guess what? I got it and I love it. And what the house don't have is a linen closet. We got a linen closet. So I think that's great. The things we get excited for. So toilet, and we're back at the vanity. Right off of my vanity, y'all, is the closet. Y'all, the closet. Small. This is the only thing really in this unit that I am racking my brain about. It's small. And of course, me and Jeremy will be sharing. This is just my spring and summer clothes, y'all. My fall clothes is not even here. So my fear is for this space is that because it's so tight, it will not look beautiful. So some things I just can't worry about. Some things I'm not going to worry about. I'm not going to bother my head about it. But because I got like some type of OCD or whatever, I'm doing it anyway. Girl, I got anxiety, child. So back onto the tour. Right off the kitchen is the kids' corner. I have 3 kids of my own. Alana 11, Jaden 10, Kai 6. He turned 6 yesterday. Happy birthday, baby. And then my nephew is 17 and he is a senior this year. So I have 4 children. This is an apartment, a 3-bedroom apartment with 6 people. Keep that in mind when you judging me. I'm joking, y'all. I love y'all. But anyways, yeah, the kids' bathroom is the first door over here. Though Alana has her own bathroom now, she will be sharing with the boys. That is going to be a testimony for her. But I think she'll get through it, and she enjoys the fact that she is now sharing cleaning responsibilities when it comes to her bathroom. So they have their vanity. It's a decent amount of size as far as counter space, their toilet. They don't have a linen closet, but they do have this pantry, which is pretty great. And then they have a standing shower, which they don't have now. And I think that's a good thing for them. So though she's losing her bathroom, she is gaining ensuite privileges. Because this is basically Boosie's room. And her room here is actually a lot bigger than her room at the house now. It's actually a ton bigger, so that's great for her. And then her closet, they have these great built-ins, which is awesome. And then her closet, which is also bigger than the closet that she currently has. So gained a little more, even though she lost a little more. All right, so right out of the kitchen is the boys' room here. All 3 boys will be sharing. Like I said, Davion is a senior this year, so he does have plans to join the military after he graduates. So all 3 boys are in here. What makes this their room for show is the size of this closet. They shouldn't have any problem at all fitting all their little things in this ginormous closet. It keeps going. So yeah, and I have put some storage things in here. My idea to use that space in the very back for my decorations and stuff, because there is no storage closet. That area would have been a storage closet from the outside, but I'm actually happy they did it that way because it gave us more real estate on the patio. So as that is being all, I hope you guys enjoy this unit as just as much as I do. I am very excited to go on a new decorating journey with this place. It's a very long time since we've been able to like buy new furniture to stage it in a way that kind of is updated. Of course, I have my little pampas grass and pumpkins now. It's fall, y'all. Don't judge me. I need this. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoy, and I hope you guys stay along the journey and the ride with us, because it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be really fun. So until next time, my friends, peace.